Okay, this is actually coated fabric, like waterproof coated fabric. It's not very heavy, it's quite thin. The kind of fabric that we use in jackets, and this one is even thinner, and they've used 2 layers of green, and they basically have got these that's tie into the wood, and it's like a circle, like a skirt, a big skirt that they have made up, and then all of them are anchored to the wood around it. And so inside this look like this. So it starts from the top there and just goes all the way around like this in 2 layers, and even if there is water it just slides through. Very interesting. And they also have some air pockets like these, so if I can go around, I don't know what these patches are for. I thought this was to do with letting the air out. I'm not sure why those are, but they're just interesting, unless this is reused from something else.